Welcome back. If you're new to the channel, you might not have knew this, but we've been getting a kitchen extension. We've just had our worktops put in, so we're getting there, do you know what I mean? This car is absolutely desperate for a washing, man. I'm going to have to do it. It's a good time as well with all this self-isolating stuff. The only time I can get to go out in my car is if I do a job. Did you hear that? Something's just scraped along my car. What is it? It's just a bag of old building rubbish. Luckily there's no damage. Oh, what was that? Bit here is just scraped along my car. I didn't want to talk about it. Just scratch my car. Fuck's sake. So you might be wondering, how does Adam get to go out in the car when I've got an isolate at the house? Fortunately, well, kind of fortunately, Amy and Emily got to get a regular prescription from the pharmacy, so that's where we're going. A little trip to the pharmacy. You've got to take the small pleasures in life, fellas, at this time. That fella's ogling the car. Is open, literally the best Savoy dips in Sunderland. Hiya. Thank you. And that, fellas, is how you get to get out for driving your car. My local pub, fellas. Get a nice pint of Moretti in there. Can't wait till it opens again. Give it a little bit of boost. You ready? You ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh yeah! Wait, slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down. In a second. Then you got a little bit excited there, Adam. And you calm yourself down. What would your mum say? She kicked me off, so that's what you do. There we go, fellas, back home. Hope you're all doing well and take care of each other, and I'll see you soon. Oh, don't forget to subscribe.